Hey GlamSquad, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you my client Kiki, and I have more coming for you guys. I missed you guys. So here's my client Kiki, longtime client. She's also my daughter's friend. I am using the Morphe contour palette, and first I am going to go in with my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in Tan Sand, or either sand, one of them. I'm going to blend that out on her face. I already did the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use that first color as my transition color, and I'm going to blend back and forth. And I always mention to my students or anybody, when it comes to makeup, honey, if you do not like to blend, makeup is not for you. It takes patience and it's a lot of blending. So I'm blending the other eye, and I am taking my time to make sure that the concealer is well blended out. I'm using the second color right next to the brightening color to go into the crease. And I'm going to go back and forth until I'm satisfied with the blending and how it looks. Secondly, I'm going to move on to my base, which is I'm going to use the P. Louise Ruler number 1. I'm going to use a flat top eyeshadow brush. I am not doing a cut crease. I just want a shape of a cut crease, and I feel like a flat eyeshadow brush gives you that look. Now I'm going to use my a matte color, which is a pink. Pro tip: you see how I just flipped the brush to get close to the last line? Flip your brushes. And again, I'm pressing that into the base. You do not want anything to crack. You do not want it to look chalky. You want everything to look seamlessly. Take your time. Press that eyeshadow in. Make sure that the base soaks that up. Now I'm going to move on to a rose gold shimmer color, which I am adding towards the outer corner of the eye. Towards the inner corner, I use a lighter color. Do you see how beautiful that is? Now look at the circle that I have up there. Do you guys notice how I pull her skin taut to get a nice liner? And then I used my pinky finger to anchor on her face. Now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow on the next eye. And again, I did my best to press that in for it to look seamlessly. I am using NARS. I can never tell you what color I actually use, because as a makeup artist for black women, you guys know we're 5, 6, 7 different colors. So I look at my client's chest, I look at my client's neck, I look at my client's face and undertone. I mix colors up to match them. Now I'm going to go with a lighter color, and I am just going to outline her eyebrows. Now y'all know everybody wearing a lace front. Honey, do not get makeup on the baby hair. Use multiple brushes, do what you have to do, but do not mess up the baby hair. I'm pressing that foundation in. Her skin is already prepped. If I remember, I'll put everything down below that I used. Now I am defining her eyebrows. The next side. And y'all, again, just remember, be careful. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer, which is a concealer that is 1 shade lighter than my client. Now, if I feel that I need something brighter, then I may go in with a second shade. But it doesn't make a artist for everybody. I do not like a very bright center of the face, so I always go with 1 shade. And if I need anything a little lighter, I'll go just another shade, but only in the inner corner at the bottom of their eye. Now I'm going to blend that out again. Here we go with the blending. This is my favorite Morphe foundation brush. Oh my god. Morphe just got it with these brushes, and they were just on sale in like March, and I got like 6, 7 of them. Since I travel a lot for weddings, this works. I'm using a sponge to blend out her nose. She wanted a snatch nose, so baby, I'm going to snatch it. My favorite part, my favorite setting. This is how her face looked before I blended. After I blended. You guys saw that. So now I'm going to just go ahead and I've already set her face. I am going to use that eyeshadow brush, and as you can see, I am using it light as a feather to outline her nose and snatch it. Look at that foundation, y'all. Look at the eyes. Do you see how flawless that look? Let me see it. Yes, I am a 3-time setting makeup artist. I am using this Morphe Luminous spray. This is the only spray that doesn't make us look oily, that says Luminous. Then I'm using the Continuous spray by Morphe. And then I'm going to use my Ova Faithful All Nighter. Now I'm moving on to the lips. I am using my Anastasia lip liner in the color Malt and Lineage. I should know better how to pronounce it because I am Haitian. But anyway, I put some of that on her lip, and then I am going to outline her lips. I put my clients to work. She had to hold this camera. I like using a brush to apply the lipstick, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Have her blot, and then I use a little MAC lip glass, and this is her final look. I thank you guys for joining me. I will have more coming for you guys. Get summer. Get ready to be sick of me. I miss y'all. Bye.